everyone. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. I'm just getting off work, so yeah, that's sort of how my weekend's going. And hope you guys are having much fun as you can in the quarantine situation we're in. Um, but yeah, I thought I'd just go over my website real quick. Let you know any kind of problems I had or fun I had doing the project. So I've enjoyed this class this semester. It's been a lot of fun. Um, I don't really, at my job, usually have a lot of professional photos, so that's probably the more difficult part I had to do. So, during the quarantine, I had to take a few quick photos to add in here. Um, I would say that and finding the banners. I kind of wanted to have a sort of fun theme, just to mix it up a little bit. So I tried to have similar styles throughout the whole thing. Projects. I just try to include a few projects that I had done so far. Obviously, I'm not finished my major yet, or my degree yet. But yeah, I just thought I'd throw a couple of these in. This one was a project for HackCon, I believe last year. It was kind of a mess when we did it. It's supposed to be a four-person group, and it got bumped down to two people because people dropped out of the class. But I think we still managed to place second, I believe. So yeah, it was a cool experience. Um, and then it was just some HTML work that I did in that class as well. And HTML is something that I hadn't really had experience in, but I've done it a few times so far, and it's been pretty straightforward, but it's been fun. Um, my experience, like I said, I or I was trying to get like a similar theme for everything. So like the banner, I tried to find something that's a little more fun out there. This just a basic resume here. I haven't had a ton of jobs. So like the job I'm at currently now, I've been there the longest, just coming up on 5 years. Um, and it's sort of in the tech field in a way. Uh, my job's a little more technical, but that's why I decided to go back to school because I enjoy working in this field. Um, so yeah, if you have any questions, about it, I'm not sure you guys will, but feel free to hit me up. Um, interest, I'm sort of interested in going to the security field eventually. So after I finish my SOTIA, I plan on going to uh, Penn State to finish my bachelor's. So these are just a little bit about me. Um, just try to keep it pretty simple layout wise, but get the points across. In education, I haven't really done any other higher education other than this. I was in Penn State briefly, a little bit out of high school, but that's about it. I sort of took a break as I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and now I'm here. And finally, my contact information. I try to throw a couple different pictures up. They're as different as I could do on shorter notice. It's sort of stuck inside. I did add a LinkedIn account, although that isn't something that I have done as much as I should have, uh, picture wise and information about myself. It was sort of done with another class this semester, and I just haven't filled it out as well as I should have. But I'm in the process of doing that. Um, so yeah, that's the my portfolio for this class. Like I said, I had a lot of fun doing it, and it was a fun class this semester. So even especially given the circumstances. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of your guys' portfolios. Thanks.